Hello world, so I've done this announcement about LonScript and I talked a little bit about LonScript since that last video, but done a benchmark test for LonScript, and LonScript has been evaluated across 15 different benchmark tests where it outperformed Python by over 1,434x, C by 23x, C++ by 22x, and Julia by 25x. In some individual tests, LonScript performed exceptionally well, exceeding 6,000x and reaching a peak of 16,781 times faster than Python in one benchmark. However, to provide a more accurate representation of overall performance, we present the geometric mean results along with charts for the full set of tests conducted. And you can see the overall performance summary, 15 benchmarks versus Python, which I'll get more into those charts in a second, and then how much faster is this compared to other programming languages. Excuse me. For full chart views, you can visit a link, which again, that's the data archive that we have. And these metrics are important because when computing and AI companies rely on outdated programming languages, their speed and overall capabilities can become constrained. Similarly, when organizations use the same codecs, their data storage and processing performance may be limited. And when traffic is routed through a centralized communication system that is outdated, the flow of information can be slowed or restricted. Raymond Computing takes a fundamentally different approach, one centered on more effective, efficient, and energy conscious methods for processing, storing, and analyzing data. Rather than focusing on massive scale infrastructure and endless training, we prioritize improving the underlying mathematics of the systems people already use, or building entirely new alternatives, such as hoping to replace IEEE 802.11, establishing our own codex, and eventually making LonScript and the other components of our vision widely recognized. Raymond Computing recently had other updates, including the announcement of LonScript, the technological demo day webinar registration, and the update of the ROI estimator for Raymond Computing's website, with that update was making it a monthly estimator to better show market conditions. But Raymond Computing wants to be there for the long run, and we envision making the world a more connected place. As always, of course, none of this is investment or financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So what does that mean? Well, for example, if you go to the Raymond Computing website, you can actually see what the potential savings are for someone utilizing Raymond Computing technologies. So this assumes a baseline of someone spending 50% of their budget on compressor at a current market rate of 30 cents per gig, 30% of their budget on telemetry at $30 per device, or more likely $30 a month, and 20% of their budget on compute at $2 per complex task, and then assuming up to a 90% capacity ratio, which is what we're trying to see, $5 per device connectivity cost, excuse me, and up to 50x lower cost. This is how much someone could be saving a month, a company or an entity. And I thought this was a better way to just show the data and consolidate it in an easier to understand manner. And at the same time, if you look at the data archive really quick, you could go down here to programming language LonScript preview, and you could actually see overall performance summary, how much faster is LonScript. You could actually click on that chart or actually save it and zoom in and see the full chart view. And you could see how much slower are the other languages than LonScript per benchmark. And you can see sort ascending, sort descending, k at smallest, and median up until this integer, and vice versa. So you could actually see all the tests. You could see how they performed in terms of the charts. And you could actually look at that data for yourself and really consider how much faster LonScript really is for certain algorithms. And this could be a very major thing in the future, especially when you're talking about computing and AI. I mean, it already is pretty impressive in regards to what LonScript can do. Julia and Wolfram were like my favorite programming languages, and now I think in a way LonScript ironically replaced that. Which again, I might be biased because LonScript is my programming language, but Raymond Computing really wants to utilize these tools to build a whole variety of things and really lower the cost of compression in regards to processing data, storing data, in regards to computing in general. And we hope to make the world a more connected place. Peace.